13. I repeat, rank 13 AIIMS May 2015. Congratulations, Dr. Ankit, on the wonderful performance and the great rank that you have achieved in the toughest exam of the country, AIIMS May 2015. DAMS is really proud of your achievement. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling very nice, and congratulations to you too. And one more thing, and thanks a lot first of all.
That's very modestly put here, Dr. Ankit, and let me just ask you a very straight question, that what is the role of DAMS in your achievement?
Actually, I joined DAMS Foundation course in 2012 when I was in 6th semester. That time I was not so much I was so much concentrated or so much focused about my PG exam. So DAMS gave me a pathway, I attended classes, so it gave me notes first of all. Teachers were very good, and I had notes of almost every subject, especially of final year, and some short subjects. So that was very helpful, especially in the last 1 or 2 months of my preparation. Those notes were very helpful.
Great. I would say you joined a great institute at the right time, because that is the time when you get serious towards your future, and I hope that DAMS had really helped you in that. Now, taking this conversation to the next level, as we all know that DAMS is quite active on the online medium. We have our exclusive club and the CBT we conduct, and the test series available on the net and in cloud also, which is available. What is your feedback on these?
Actually, I just had experience of the DAMS online club, that DAMS exclusive club. The questions which I had doubt, I just cleared them on DAMS club. That helped me a lot, your faculty members giving views and answers on that. That helped.
And let me just put here that it's not that they give their feedback on that, they are prompt also. I think you would also agree to that, Dr. Ankit?
Yes.
वो जल्दी से जवाब देते हैं.
Exactly. Within 1 day we get answers.
So that is, when time is the most important factor when you're preparing for such exams, I think our teachers and we all at DAMS keep that thing in mind. You would agree to that?
Yeah, of course.
Well, now comes the most important question that everybody would like to hear, is that how did you prepare for your exams?
Actually, I after my November AIIMS exam, before my internship was not that sincere, but I was reading, I was studying. But after my November AIIMS exam, I studied sincerely for the next AIIMS, because I was undergraduate of AIIMS only, and then I wanted AIIMS again. So I started studying, studied subject wise, each subject. In November I left 2-3 subjects, but this time I studied each and every subject, and then doing last year papers, last 5 years or last 6 years papers, is quite good. It is quite helping. But the repeats are getting less year by year, but still they are it is a positive motivation for the students. If you do last year papers, especially of AIIMS and All India, I'm not saying PGI, but AIIMS and All India you have to do.
Okay. Let me just remind my listeners here that we're talking to Dr. Ankit Diman, rank 13, AIIMS May 2015. Let me ask you here, Dr. Ankit, that how did you manage your time while you were preparing?
In internship, reading at least every day you should read, even for 1 hour you should give some time for your studies. I used to read every day. Even if I am giving 1 hour, or even if I am giving 12 hours, 13 hours, or even less than that, even 4 hours, 5 hours, I was reading every day.
Okay, so what I can gather from your input is that you were steady. You had made a point in your mind that every day you will devote some time for preparation.
Yeah, exactly.
In fact, let me share a very jovial joke here, very jovial incident here. I asked one of the toppers, "Sir, how did you manage your time?" He said, I was into internships. I did not manage my time, the time was managing me. So that is what he has put. But as you said, that being consistent and being steady,
I will just say to the aspirants that study every day. Don't waste your single day. like if you have time, just 1 hour left of your, like only 1 hour left on your whole 24 hours, so study in that.
Okay, not even wait
Yeah.
for the next
Next
morning
day.
coming
Yeah,
and
yeah,
you
exactly.
That's really nice, and that's, I would say, that is the best comment I have ever got from a topper. Please don't mind sharing your mix of success with it, because every student at DAMS, everybody who wants to go to AIIMS would like to know what is the mix of your success.
The craze for getting AIIMS.
That's really motivating. Yes. But please add something to that.
I wanted to become a surgeon, and I was undergraduate of AIIMS, so I wanted to do surgery from that institute only, because once you are in AIIMS, you are like,
On the top
AIIMS
of
is,
the world.
yeah, no, not only top of the world, but AIIMS is reason enough to keep you going.
Very true, very true.
Like it is very, like, the certainty, the probability is quite less getting in AIIMS.
Yes, very true. Yes, I would
And
totally agree.
you have to just think about ki, no, one day I will get, and that keeps you going, that makes you study more and more and towards your goal.
That's really nice to know. Let me ask you one more thing, Dr. Ankit here. That you have been, preparing along with DAMS. As you said, you joined us a little back in your 6th semester, if I'm not wrong. You would have been provided with the study material and all the other things that we usually give to our students. Did all those things help you in, transforming yourself and, making you a better aspirant?
I told you earlier also ki, first of all, the teachers here are very good. They teach you, we used to write notes in the class. Like, if you have notes, like, and I also, like, I got help from many of my friends. Like last year, one guy was rank 5. He also was like, he was also from DAMS, and also like, he was also saying like, read notes, read them as many as times you can do.
Can you share your friend's name?
Amit Gupta.
Amit Gupta, yes. I know him personally as well, because I don't know if you have noticed me or not. We have been sponsoring Pulse for the past 5 years now, that you would have noticed us also during that. Okay, kindly continue.
Yeah, so most important thing is, like, don't read from many places. Have a set of notes. Like in your MBBS times, you have enough time to read the textbooks, but when you come to internship or post-internship, you don't have time to read all the textbooks or all the big books like Harrison or all those stuff. Like, so at that time you need something like concise things. So that helped a lot. And notes, and especially I would mention the workbook of biochemistry, and biochemistry notes were good, very good.
That's really nice to know. And what we are missing here is a little word from you on the evaluation system. That is the tests that we conduct, the grand test.
That are good. That are like, that gives you in which subject you are lacking, and you should work hard on that.
Okay.
It gives you a sense.
It gives you a picture of yourself, where do you stand and what to.
Especially the grand test, when you give, like, they give you a picture that, yeah, this subject I am lacking or not.
Okay, that's nice to know. Let me just ask you, Dr. Ankit, that which teachers in DAMS have influenced you a lot?
Your medicine faculty, his notes were very good. Your pediatrics, Dr. Sumer Sethi's radiology notes, I think that were more than enough for this my exam.
Okay.
Deepti ma'am's gynae notes were good. Then short subjects teachers were like like your secretary notes were also good, and your Optha I want to mention that I read only those notes only, but that is a quite important subject for AIIMS. So many questions are like they are asking from Optha. Like they want core knowledge of Optha, but nobody is having that. Your PSM faculty was very good.
Okay. I hope you have mentioned whatever you have read. That's great. We are talking to Dr. Ankit Diman here, rank 13, AIIMS, May 2015. Which branch are you going to opt, Dr. Ankit?
I want to pursue my career in surgical field, so I want general surgery.
General surgery, we wish you all the best. And before we just wind up this conversation, any message to your juniors?
Yeah, First of all, decide your goal, what you want to do in your life, and that goal will open the path. Day by day you will feel like if you have a goal, then you can achieve that. And most important thing, keep an insight inside you. That is the most important thing, because if you have insight, then you can do, you will do. Study every day. Devote some time for your studies. Take all your exams sincerely. And most important, who are in the aspirants, my juniors who are in 6th semester, who started studying early. Most important thing is do MCQs. Doing MCQs is very good thing. And secondly, join some foundation course. Especially the foundation courses at DAMS is very good. The teachers give you very good notes. Like I said earlier also, in the last 2-3 months you just need to revise those. Revise the revised. Again and again you revise those. As many times those things will pass through your eyes, more and more you're gonna learn that, because medical field is so vast, you can't retain everything. Don't go for some very fancy things. Basics is the thing which make you achieve your goal. And one more thing, if you have studied up to the optimum level, one book helped you a lot, that is First Aid Assembly, step 1. So if you think that, for my juniors only, who are in internship or who are very near to their exam, if you think that you have studied enough and your basics are quite clear, then do study that. That book is it will brush up your whole first and second year in just 2-3 days. That gives you a lot. That is very sincere advice from my side.
I think all your juniors are listening to this and will definitely abide to what you have said, whatever you have said. And one punchline that I could really remember and would cherish throughout my life is revise the revised.
Exactly, revise the revised.
That is
and study every day.
Study every day. I mean, this is the punchline, and I would definitely take this as a line for future reference also. We thank Dr. Ankit Diman here, rank 13. I repeat, rank 13 AIIMS May 2015 exam. We wish you all the best in your life, and God bless you.
Thank you.